In this video, you'll learn how to convert small assets to USDT on Binance. By following this guide, you will be able to easily manage your smaller cryptocurrency balances and convert them into USDT, which is a stablecoin widely used in trading. Begin by opening the Binance application or navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, find the wallet option located on the top menu. Click on Wallet to access your account balances and various wallet features. Next, look for the option labeled Convert Small Assets to BNB or USDT. This option should be visible in your wallet section. Selecting this will direct you to the conversion page where you can manage your small asset balances. Ensure you remain on this conversion page to proceed with the next steps. At this point, you will need to select the small balance assets you wish to convert. A list of available assets will be presented to you. Carefully review the assets and their corresponding balances. After making your selections, review the total estimated USDT value that appears on the screen. It is important to confirm the selected tokens to ensure you are converting the correct assets. Once you have confirmed the selected tokens and reviewed the estimated value, proceed to confirm the conversion. Click on the Convert button to initiate the process. Binance will process the conversion of your selected small balances instantly. During this time, you may see a loading indicator while the transaction is being completed. After the conversion is complete, you can check your spot wallet to verify your updated USDT balance. The new balance will reflect the conversion, allowing you to see the results of your transaction. Keep in mind that conversion times may vary based on network conditions, but the process is typically quick and efficient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next